They call it the industrial Internet of Things. Now more than ever, it's what the infrastructure of the whole world runs on, which is a good thing. But as the number of devices and connections have risen, so has complexity in virtually every industry, across both public and private sectors. Management and control systems have become swamped by the torrential flow of unconnected data. In this era of big data and real-time applications, artificial intelligence is an essential tool to improve decision-making and outcomes. But to ensure the best operational and business decision-making, you need more than just complex algorithms that spit out correlations and KPIs. You need to understand the why. Because one thing that hasn't changed is the need to think situationally. Whether you're a football coach, an air traffic controller, a Fortune 500 CEO, an industrial plant manager, or a power grid operator, situational awareness is at the very heart of decision-making. So to be effective in managing complex systems, your AI decision support tools need to be situationally aware, just like you. At HMX, we've pioneered the situational AI movement for intelligent decision support. We've developed solutions that focus on achieving goals, not just producing metrics. Based on the groundbreaking research of Dr. Micah Ensley, the Ensley model for situation awareness is the gold standard for designing decision-making processes in mission-critical applications. And over the past 20 years, the power of the situational awareness model has been used in the design of aircraft cockpits, military command and control, power grid management, and countless other industrial applications. Our AI technology implements and supercharges the Ensley model's core three-step process to create exceptional outcomes. First, the HMX Intelligent Decision Support tool provides users all the relevant information according to the context of what's happening, narrowing your focus to what's important right now. Then, the comprehension stage of the Ensley model kicks in, and our patented cognitive reasoning engine identifies developing situations with probability estimations to help better assess likelihoods and risks. Finally, there's the projection stage, where our AI shows you how the specific situation impacts goals and options to consider to achieve better outcomes. Because HMX enables decision makers to actively dialogue with the system and understand the root causes of each situation, trust builds between the user and our technology, a partnership not possible with other conventional black box applications. Since 2009, our intelligent decision support products have transformed the way leading organizations across the world manage their industrial Internet of Things, from power and gas grids to processing plants to financial fraud detection. So if you're ready to learn more about how situational AI can transform your operational and business decision-making, let's schedule a demo and see it in action today.